Hey guys, it's Chris here with Investing with Chris, and welcome back to my Wealthsimple Portfolio Trade Challenge, where I try to make massive earnings on swing trades and ETFs. In terms of updates in the market this week, we had a fairly green week in the S&P 500 up until Friday, where we had a massive sell-off due to the US job employment data being released, and it was a disappointing result. And because of the tariffs that are implemented on August 1st. Some of the major highlights this week in the stock market was the US and the EU agreeing to a trade agreement in regards to tariffs, which sparked a rally in US equities. Secondly, having the US Federal Reserve and the Bank of Canada holding their interest rates and not lowering or increasing them. Thirdly, having the major companies having big earning reports this week, such as Apple, Microsoft, and Meta blowing their earnings out of the water, but the rally from the earnings did not hold because of the sell-off on Friday. And lastly, having the US job employment data will be released and having a disappointed result because of that, which resulted in a sell-off on Friday. As you can see here, in terms of updates in my portfolio, I am currently sitting at $68,846 or 91 cents, or $14,715 or 27.19% all time. On the monthly, I am $1,756 or 2.62%. 3 months, $5,615 or 8.88%. As you can see here in my FHSA, I am at $25,612 or $1,612 or 6.72%. On the daily, I am down $531 or 2.03%, which was caused by the sell-off on Friday. On the weekly, $440. On the monthly, $325. On the 3 months, $2,078 or 8.88%, or year to date, $94. As you can see here, my entire portfolio, my FHSA, is VFV, ETF that tracks the S&P 500, which is currently up 9.2% or $2,149 all time. And this is my RRSP account, which I just created in the previous week, where I contributed $13,000. And as you can see here, I am currently at $12,954 or 69 cents, or down $53 or 0.41% all time. And that is purely because I did purchase something the week prior when I first opened it, and it did dip down, and then later I bought AMD, which helped improve my portfolio to where it is now. And now I purchased around 20 shares or $3,054 worth of VFV. Here we have the bulk of my investments inside my non-registered margin account. This may be different from the previous week where it just showed where it was non-registered, but I just recently changed this account to a margin, so it's gonna have more buying power if in the possibility that the market is in a downturn and I have more capital to purchase equities, which is quite a bit risky, but if timed correctly, can help really boost my portfolio and the gains I earn from it. Currently, I am sitting at $30,279.72 or $1,483 or 5.15% in the past month, or all time $12,999, basically $13,000 or 75.22% all time. On the daily, down $518 or 1.68%, which was due to the sell-off on Friday because of the disappointing US employment records. And here are the major holdings I have in this account. I have Google, which is the CDR version, which I currently hold 698 shares at around $31.04 of the share value, which gives me all-time return $425.78 or down 1.93%. VFV, I have 40 shares, down 2.0% on Friday, but I am up $446 or 7.89%. And I have XEQ2 with around 70 shares, and I am up all-time $940.88 or 60.17% all-time. that is all the updates in the stock market news and in my portfolio. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe down below if you did. Please leave a comment if you have any questions regarding investing or questions about my portfolio. If you ever want to join Wealthsimple, I have a link down in the description below where if you use that link, you get $25 if you sign up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.